Welcome to another video, and it's again about cycling and again about a little adventure. So the previous video was about the Traca and the epic fail. This adventure is all about getting there. So we're talking about the Tuscany Trail. So what is a Tuscany Trail? Well, it's a trail through Tuscany, supposed to be for gravel and mountain bike. Some may say more mountain bike than gravel bike. Some specific parts of the road, you will see. 450 kilometers through Tuscany, 5,000 meters of climbing. Yeah, but it's not a race, it's really an event. You can start from you can start from Wednesday, and you actually need to finish before Monday 7 p.m. So our plan is to do it in 4 days, 3.5 actually. So I'm doing this with Andrea and Federico, 2 Italian friends. So 2 Italians and a Dutch guy who thinks he's Spanish. It's gonna be a little nice adventure. Today is the first day, Thursday. We started a bit late. I'll explain later why. And so today, Thursday, 90 kilometers, 1,000 vertical meters. 12 kilometers in, it started right away with a climb of about 4 or 5 kilometers, but then the descent was super technical. I think I built some muscles in my arms. super technical. I've got something on the camera, I hope you can see it. 12 kilometers, 13 kilometers. Wow. But the good thing is we still have 434 kilometers to go. Get my shoes anyway. I think we've found a new game. Find Fede.
Find Fede.
Find Fede in Tuscany.
Find Fede and avoid rain.
First of all, it was find shoes. Now it's find Fede.
Yeah.
So clouds are building up. We're supposed to get some rain around 4-5 o'clock, but I think it's gonna be okay. We're heavily chasing the storm. The storm is behind us. That's where the light is. Go to the light.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight.
And a quick update on the game Find Federico in Tuscany. I think we failed.
We failed. We also failed to the other play that we were playing before.
We had 2 things today.
Yes.
2 objectives. Get away from the rain and don't lose Federico.
And we failed on both.
Both. So no beer for us this evening. Garmin is getting a bit ridiculous. In 190 meters, there is an animal nearby. An animal nearby.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight.